Hey everyone, here's the latest PlayStation update as of 7:19 p.m. The good news is that PlayStation Network services have now been restored following today's unexpected outage. If you were having trouble signing in, seeing service busy errors, or unable to play online, those issues should now be fixed for most users. We understand how frustrating it is when you finally get time to play and run into server problems. The important thing to know is that this wasn't an issue with your console or your account, it was a PlayStation Network problem, and Sony has now resolved it. If you're still facing any issues, don't worry. Try restarting your PS5 or PS4, then sign out and back into your PlayStation Network account. Also, double-check that your internet connection is stable. In some regions, the fix may take a bit longer to fully roll out, so giving it a few extra minutes can also help. Thanks for your patience during today's outage. If this update helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more PlayStation updates and fixes, and I'll catch you in the next one.